I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use middle pets in Grow a Garden. First, understand that middle pets are crucial companions, offering unique buffs to your crops and overall garden efficiency. They stand between your main pet and the garden, providing a vital link. Their primary role is to enhance specific aspects like growth speed or yield, making your gardening efforts much more rewarding. We'll cover everything from selection to optimization. Choosing the right middle pet is key to a thriving garden. Each pet possesses distinct abilities, such as boosting crop growth by 20% or increasing harvest yield by 15%. Consider your current gardening goals. If you need faster harvests, prioritize speed-focused pets. If you aim for maximum produce, select pets that enhance yield. Always check their base stats and unique skills before making your decision. Once you have your middle pet, equipping and leveling them up is the next step. You can equip up to 3 unique items, like a fertilizer pouch or watering can, each adding specific bonuses. Leveling your pet, which can go up to level 10, significantly boosts their effectiveness. This is achieved by having them active while you tend your garden, gaining experience with every successful harvest. Higher levels unlock stronger buffs. To truly maximize your middle pet's potential, strategic placement and synergy are essential. Position them near the crops they benefit most. For instance, a pet boosting berry yield should be near your berry patches. Combine their abilities with other garden upgrades or even other pets for compounded effects. A well-utilized middle pet can reduce growth times by up to 25% and increase overall output by a significant margin, making your garden flourish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.